So in today's video, I am going to be doing some really simple solar light hacks using the solar lights from the Dollar Tree. Now I have these two solar lights here. I absolutely love these. I'm just going to be removing the tags first, and then the stake is inserted inside of the solar light, but I'm going to pull that out so I can get this flat surface. So I'm going to be pairing these with two of these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove the tags off of these as well. These are really simple, easy to do, and I love how these turned out. So what I'm going to do is pretty much just attach these two solar lights to the candle holder, and I'm going to be using some hot glue for that. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video, and I hope you do enjoy these solar light DIY hacks. So once I get them both attached, I think it would be really pretty if you embellish this around the base of the solar light with some greenery. This would be absolutely beautiful. I'm keeping these really simple, and I have this these transfer stickers from the Dollar Tree. I already used some off this sheet, but I'm going to cut out a few of them. I'm going to add maybe 3 or maybe 4 to each one of the solar lights, and I'm going to be adding them to that to the light portion, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. But as I mentioned, I think this will be beautiful if you embellish this with some florals right on top of the candle holder. So I love these transfer stickers. I thought these would be perfect, and they pretty much fit my style. So with the transfer stickers, you just rub over the plastic. I'm using one of the Cricut tools to help me transfer over that image so that everything can transfer over nicely, and then you just pull up the plastic. And I'm just going to add a few more stickers to this one, and then I'll add some to the other one. I just thought this was really simple and really pretty, and it sort of just elevated the solar lights. And I'm going to pull these out when I have company over or when I'm entertaining on the patio as it gets late in the evening. I just think these are super simple. And so now for the next one, I'm going to add some more stickers. Now the Dollar Tree have a lot of options of transfer stickers. I also purchased some off Amazon before, so I think this will look pretty if you choose to add the transfer stickers. I think there's so many different kind of stickers that you can use, but I love how these turn out, and I cannot wait to style these on the patio. Now I wanted to create something to hang on the door. When I seen these beautiful solar lights, I had to pick these up. I believe these are like daisies or maybe sunflowers. I'm not sure. So I picked up these summer florals from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just pulling off the bud so that I can remove the tags. And I also have a pick here. This greenery came from the Dollar Tree as well. I really do like this greenery pick here. I did pick up a few of these to add to my stash. What I'm going to do first is I am going to be using 3 solar lights, but I'm going to start off with 2, and I'm just opening up the greenery pick and adding 2 of the florals on each side. But I am going to be using another floral pick, which is a total of 5. As you can see, I pulled the stick off one of the solar lights and inserted it on the other end, so now it's one piece, and the lights are adjustable, and you'll see that shortly. So I'm just gathering everything together, and I'm going to use some of the rope from the Dollar Tree as well to wrap it around the middle to connect everything together. And then what I'm going to do is use some hot glue to tack that down. Once I get that tacked down, I am going to start fluffing out those florals, just fluffing them out around the lights. And you can push the lights back and forward. As I mentioned, you can adjust those, and I will be doing that. So as I get both sides fluffed out, now I'm going to bring in some more of my florals. I have one more pick, and then I have another pick of those greeneries, and I'm going to pull them off the stem as well. Then what I'm going to do is start hot gluing the greenery right on top of the rope right in the center. And I Yes, I did. I did use a full pick. At first, I was like, I don't know if I used another full greenery pick, but yeah, I believe I did. So I'm just pretty much layering those greeneries on the top. And then now I'm going to go in and layer those other floral picks, and I just used one more pick. So I used a total of 5 of those floral picks for this project. Once I get all of those attached, I'm going to do a little bit more fluffing out and possibly adjusting the lights. As you can see right here, they do move back and forth. And then I'm going to get my third solar light because I want to add that at the end. That one is going to be closer to the top, just like that. I pulled it off the stick, and I just wanted to see where the placement is going to be at first, and then I added all of the hot glue because I wanted to add a generous amount. I am going to hold that until that secures, and because I added the rope on the back, I'm just going to hang this on a hook. You can create an extra hanger, but I'm going to eventually add this to the garage door leading out to the patio. I think this is going to be perfect to brighten up that area, and it looks really pretty. Now for the next 2 DIYs, really simple. These are the glass ball solar lights that I used in my previous video. I'm going to link that video in the description box below because I did create 2 solar lights using these. When I seen those, I wanted to add them to my front yard, but I already have some Dollar Tree solar lights out, so I'm not going to switch them out. I have these 2 candle holders here from the Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be perfect to upgrade these solar lights because they have the little base that fits perfect in the inside. So all I'm going to do is add some hot glue to that and place that right down. Now you're only connecting the base. I wanted to show you that once you remove the stick, the glass ball twist off, so you only pretty much hot gluing that base inside that candle holder. And that is going to be it for these. I think these are really pretty to style on the patio if you're entertaining company. I absolutely love these, and I cannot wait to style these outdoors. Now for the next DIY, I love this solar light. These are the ones that I have in my front yard. They are so pretty, so I'm just going to keep these out there. But I'm taking this light outside of the casing. I'm not going to throw this away because I'm going to actually use that in the next DIY. I have one of these round vases from the Dollar Tree as well. And what I'm going to do is be adding this in the inside, but I'm going to first go in with some of that greenery that I have from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to pull off, cut off 2 pieces from this greenery. This solar light DIY hack is so simple, but I think this is a little cute one as well. So I'm making sure that I place the greenery up against the glass, and then I'm just going to add some hot glue to the bottom of that solar light, and that is going to be it for this. This was really simple, but I think this is something cute to style outside as well. Now this next one is my favorite. So I love this little lighthouse solar light, and I'm just showing you that it did has the stake in there, and I'm going to be keeping these for future projects. So here is the other solar light casing. I just pulled the stake out of that one. I'm using this as a base for my cute little lighthouse. I absolutely love the simplicity of this. All I did was add that to the top, and how cute is this solar light lighthouse? So I've had these floral solar lights before, but I'm just going to pair these with 2 of those little planters, and that's the 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. The color matched the solar lights perfect. I'm taking some of these stones here from the Dollar Tree to use as a filler. Since these solar lights will be outside, I just thought maybe I will use rocks. And all I'm going to be doing is adding. Now, I'm not leaving it this tall. I want to show you how it look if you just add it right inside as it is. And then I'm going to show you how it looks if you take the stick off of the floral. And I didn't like either length. So as you can see, that's why I made a decision to cut mine down. But I wanted to show you how it looked just in case you like the length of leaving it like that. But I decided to cut mine down. So all I'm doing is taking my wire cutters, and it clipped off really easy, as you can see. And that's the length that I was going for. I just pushed the rocks together and I styled these outdoors, and I do love how this turned out. So simple, but it's something really pretty for the table. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.